This na your guest sit talk and na social life news for inside Pidgin News Network. Now the bring story dey come from so. I come dey hear say one judge be say don touch matter be say e concern a popular singer wey be say im name be Robert Kelly. Wey be say everybody dey call Kelly don talk say e no go gree give am chance to comot for jail. On top wetin e talk say e fit catch coronavirus. Say because Kelly get jaguda for body, if dem free am, e fit commit bad thing again for area. This na the talk be say Kelly don dey try to comot for jail sake of say e talk say im body no too well. But the thing be say they don't talk to me, they leave am for there. The court make them leave am for there. Say make him dey there. Say because all the gbege be say him commit. Say no be small thing. Say that say they touch small children for corner. They touch them for their bones. They touch them for where they supposed to touch them. Say even self, you still give them disease, join self. You still come carry, keep for corner. Be say people no fit reach them. But matter come dey be now. They say all the best since the beginning of this month. Oh, say I be make them free am. Say get sickness for body wey they call diabetes. Say on top matter, say don dey fat full everywhere, and the sickness don dey worry am. Say even self, the prison self too dirty. Say as dirty so, if you make am catch the coronavirus fast. That the thing come dey go now. He don still apply for the second time again. Whether they still leave am, they still free am for the matter. The court talk say at all. Say they no go free am. Oh, say all the reason wey be say bring say no tough enough for them to leave am. The judge wey be say name na Donnelly, wey be say Kelly don dey beg tey for the matter. Don talk say they no go leave am sam say because the gbege wey be say he commit, he say he tough well. Say that say they touch small girl for their bones, they touch them for where they supposed to touch them. Say as the thing be so, say this matter, he say if they find am guilty, say him go stay for jail for 25 years. So nobody they'll just leave her like that. As matter come dey be so, the judge come talk say Kelly even talk say if they comot am from jail, say him go back to Ilios to go face all the tori wey be say they wan try am for there. Say na so the thing happen for 2008 wey be say he face children matter wey be say he made them dey open their nyash for corner dey add film, they open all their close down dey add film. Say as the thing be so, say that's what him do, come dey bribe people. The bribe people be say they will come support am. Say as the thing be, say they no go allow am make him do that kind of thing. The judge come even talk say as things be now, say they don charge am now for Ilios. They don charge am now for Ilios for New York. Say all the serious gbege be say him commit. He say if dem check am and the thing too heavy for him neck, say dem go jail am. Say they no just leave am like that. Say because if dem free am now, say if he run comot for the country. As the gbege come dey be now, say wetin he commit now, he say he pass, be careful. Say dem leave am. He say if you go dey bribe people, wey be say they will come support am. Say as the matter be now, say make him just dey for jail, make him just dey there. Kelly, he say your jaguda too much. Now as the thing be now, Kelly, if like say the gbege now don too much. Oh, that your song go be say sing say the storm is over, the storm is not over.
The storm is over. Storm is over now. I can see the sunshine somewhere beyond.
This na your guest sit up. Na social life news for inside Pidgin News Network. Now they bring to you the conference so.